young astronomers, as we set our sights on the colossal giant of the solar system, Jupiter. Prepare for an awe-inspiring journey to the mightiest planet, where everything is supersized, including the wonders that await us. Fact 1. Jupiter is the behemoth of planets. In fact, it's so big that you could fit all the other planets in the solar system inside it and still have room to spare. It's like a cosmic heavyweight, reigning supreme in the celestial arena. Fact 2. Let's talk about its superpower, the Great Red Spot. Imagine a storm that has been raging for centuries, making it the biggest, most epic hurricane in the universe. That's Jupiter's trademark feature. By its beauty. Jupiter is no gentle giant. It has a gnarly bunch of moons, over 80 of them. Some are big, some are small, but they all dance around Jupiter like its loyal companions. Fact 4. Jupiter's got some serious bling. Its awe-inspiring ring system might not be as flashy as Saturn's, but it's there, adding to the planet's cosmic charm. A true fashion statement in the solar system. Fact 5. If you think Earth's auroras are cool, wait till you see Jupiter's. They're like magical light shows on a grand scale, caused by charged particles dancing with the planet's powerful magnetic field. Jupiter is a time traveler. Its ancient secrets could unlock mysteries about the early days of the solar system. It's like a living museum, preserving stories from billions of years ago. Fact 7. Jupiter's got the gravity game on point. Its immense gravitational pull acts like a protective shield, deflecting dangerous asteroids and comets away from the inner solar system. Thanks, Jupiter. Fact 8. It's a stormy affair on Jupiter. The planet's atmosphere is a wild dance of colored bands and swirling clouds. It's like a never-ending art show in the skies. Jupiter has a great cold spot, a region that's super cool in more ways than one. Scientists are still learning about its mysteries, but one thing's for sure, it adds to Jupiter's enigmatic allure. Fact 10. Jupiter's sheer size and influence make it a cosmic kingmaker. Its gravitational tug shapes the orbits of other planets and keeps our solar system in harmony. It's like the solar system's conductor, keeping everything in tune. There you have it, young cosmic explorers, a jaw-dropping encounter with the magnificent Jupiter, the grandest planet of them all. Remember, the universe is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this colossal journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more cosmic adventures. Until our next celestial encounter, keep looking up and dreaming big among the stars.